The first rays of sunlight slowly enter through a forest of cedar trees. The only sound is your footsteps on an ancient stone path. No crowds, no selfie sticks, no tour groups following a guide with a flag. Just a centuries-old temple hidden deep in the mountains of Kyoto. And the strange thing is, thousands of people visit Kyoto every day looking for authentic Japan, but most of them walk right past places like this. Today, we're leaving the famous temples behind and discovering Kyoto's hidden temples that still feel untouched.
Kyoto has over 1,600 Buddhist temples, but most visitors follow the same route. They arrive at Kinkaku-ji, take the famous photo, visit Fushimi Inari, walk through crowded streets, and leave believing they have seen the real Kyoto. But Kyoto's most beautiful moments are often found away from the famous landmarks, down quiet neighborhood streets, at the end of forgotten mountain trails, inside small temples where there are no massive signs, no souvenir shops, and sometimes not even another visitor. These are places where locals come to slow down, reflect, and experience a quieter side of Japanese culture. In this video, we'll explore 6 hidden temples where you can experience Kyoto the way it was meant to be discovered.
Hidden between the famous Philosopher's Path and the mountains of eastern Kyoto is a small temple that feels like a secret garden. This is Hōnen-in Temple. Unlike Kyoto's famous temples that announce themselves with huge entrances and crowds, Hōnen-in welcomes visitors quietly. You walk through a simple wooden gate. Then suddenly, the noise of Kyoto disappears. 2 beautiful sand mounds sit near the entrance, often decorated with seasonal designs created by temple artists. But what makes this place special isn't just the architecture, it's the atmosphere. Imagine arriving early on an autumn morning. The ground is covered with red maple leaves. The air is cool. You sit quietly beside the moss garden while sunlight filters through the trees. For a few minutes, you forget you're in one of Japan's busiest tourist cities. Insider tip, visit early morning or late afternoon. During autumn, the temple becomes especially magical when the maple trees turn bright red. Most travelers rush toward the famous temples nearby. But many miss this peaceful royal temple hidden at the foot of Kyoto's eastern mountains. Shōren-in was once connected to Japan's imperial family, and walking inside feels completely different from the crowded tourist temples. The highlight? Its gardens. Large maple trees surround peaceful ponds, stone pathways, and traditional wooden buildings. This is the kind of place where you don't just look at the scenery, you experience it. Imagine sitting on a wooden floor overlooking the garden. No announcements, no crowds, just the sound of water moving and leaves blowing through the trees. This is the Japan many travelers are searching for. Best time? Visit during evening illuminations, when the garden transforms with soft lights.
When people hear Arashiyama, they think of bamboo forests. But hidden beyond the famous bamboo grove is one of Kyoto's most mysterious temples, Adashino Nenbutsu-ji. This temple is home to thousands of stone statues representing lost souls. Walking among them feels almost like stepping into another world. The statues are covered with moss, the forest surrounds you, and unlike the crowded bamboo grove nearby, here you can actually hear the wind. There's a quiet story behind this place. For centuries, the area was used as a place to honor the dead. Today, the temple remains a peaceful reminder of life, memory, and the passing of time. Imagine standing there in the morning mist. Hundreds of stone figures surrounding you. No crowds, only history. Insider tip, combine this visit with the quieter northern side of Arashiyama. Most tourists never walk this far. Just a short walk away is another hidden treasure, Otagi Nenbutsu-ji. But this temple is unlike anywhere else in Kyoto. Instead of ancient serious statues, you'll find 1,200 stone statues with completely different personalities. Some are smiling, some are laughing, some look surprised. Each statue was carved by ordinary people, creating a temple that feels incredibly human. This is one of those rare places where history feels playful. Imagine walking through the temple grounds and discovering a new statue around every corner. One looks like it's laughing with friends. Another looks like it's enjoying a drink. It feels less like a museum and more like meeting thousands of stone characters frozen in time. Best time? Morning, when soft sunlight creates beautiful shadows across the statues. Near the famous Tofukuji Temple is a place many tourists completely miss. Komyo-in. This tiny temple has one of Kyoto's most beautiful Zen gardens. But because it doesn't have the fame of bigger temples, it remains peaceful. The garden is designed around simplicity. Rocks.
moss, trees, space. Nothing feels unnecessary. This is where you understand the Japanese idea of finding beauty in quiet moments. Imagine sitting by the temple window during autumn. The garden outside becomes a painting. The maple leaves reflect in the pond. Time slows down. And for a moment, you are not sightseeing. You are simply present.
Our final temple takes us away from central Kyoto completely. Deep in the mountains of Takao sits Saimyo-ji. This is Kyoto's hidden nature escape. Surrounded by forests, rivers, and mountain air, this temple feels worlds away from the city. The journey itself is part of the experience. You cross bridges, walk through forests, follow ancient paths, and eventually, the temple appears. This is the Kyoto traveler's dream about. Not just seeing a place, but feeling like you discovered it. Kyoto's famous temples are famous for a reason. They are beautiful, they are historic, but sometimes the most unforgettable experiences are found away from the crowds. A quiet garden, a hidden wooden gate, a forgotten mountain path. Because travel isn't always about checking places off a list. Sometimes it's about finding the moments that feel like they belong only to you. So the next time you visit Kyoto, leave some space for the places nobody is talking about. If you enjoyed this journey through Kyoto's hidden temples, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Hidden Horizon, and comment below. Which hidden temple would you visit first? Until the next adventure, keep exploring beyond the horizon.